Welcome back to our show. And today we have in our studio world-renowned Vastu and Feng Shui expert Dr. Rupa Batra. Before the break, we were discussing some interesting facts about Feng Shui, and now we carry forward the same and take some more interesting question about Feng Shui.
Coming up with the second type of clutter, which is vibration.
Vibration.
Yeah.
Okay. What is this vibration clutter?
It refers to the unresolved issues. You see that there are many in many life, there are many issues which, you know, by putting your force also, which is not resolved.
Okay.
Right. So this clutter refers to unresolved issues which have enormous potential to block your progress, and some of these can be your debts or loans to be paid off. So what happens is that in your unconscious mind there is, I need to give money, I have to pay back the money to the bank, or you have taken loan from some of your friend or your relative. So what is that? It is not physical, you cannot see that, but you feel the vibration inside you.
Exactly. It's creating always distraction towards this.
Yes. So it again, you know, it is an obstruction for your progress.
Exactly.
Right. In your mind it goes up that I need to pay, I need to pay.
Yeah, very true.
So it could be debts or loans to be paid off. So what you need to do is make a plan to clear the debt and stick with it. If you stick with it, definitely you can pay off all your debts and loans. And it could be your pending bills to be paid. So try to you know, make a diary, or always pen it up, you know, pen down everything which is to be paid and deal with the same immediately, and try to be on time, so that you need not to pay the extra amount for the late fees, right. So in your mind there is always that, okay, I need to pay the bill, I need to pay the bill. So this again, the vibration is there. One of the vibration clutter is the pending work. You know, you try to make your work, you put in a pending basis. So what happens is that do not work daily, you know, try to do it in a daily basis, because you know what happens, the pending work, it hits your brain always that, okay, this work is to be done, this work is to be done. So whatever work comes, you need to finish up immediately on the regular basis, right. So you need to do, you must be very good to your job, and you should be focused to your job and whatever you do, and try to resolve all your fight or your conversation. Do not, you know, merge yourself, do not indulge yourself in unresolved fight or any unresolved conversation. Again, it hits your unconscious mind, and the vibration inside you, within you, is negative. So what you need to do is you go ahead and resolve it, and you need to forget it, do not start up again. And nowadays, emails, if you need to answer those mails, again clear up your mail on daily basis, give the answer to the letters, to the mails, to the SMS even. Again, it's part of your, it's part of your work. So you need to take steps to deal with it and stick on the plan. So this again, you are, you know, making yourself free from vibration clutters. It could be some borrowed things also. I have seen many people who borrow things when you require, and you know, it is kept from many days from many days and you cannot return, or maybe the neighbor or the friend or the relative is not there at that very time when you
Keep that thing.
yeah, to
during
return
this-
back that thing. So again that reminds you. So whenever you use it, you need to return it back as soon as possible. So now the third one is internal, the
Okay.
internal clutter. When the internal organs like lungs, intestines do not function in a right way, it becomes weak and depressed. So some ways of removing the internal clutter are by exercising daily, by breathing in fresh air, keep fresh plants into your room, in your home, so that your atmosphere is positive. Drink plenty of water, consume healthy food, do not overeat.
Exactly.
Yes, eat in proper intervals and chew food you are eating properly. So get proper rest and sleep. So I have let you know about all the clutters.
And this is really very nice information, very important information.
So this is the first step in feng shui to start with.
Thank you so much, Dr. Batra, for your precious advice, and we hope our audience will follow this definitely. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That's all for today. We hope you liked our program, and do let us know about your feedback. Friends, if you have any problem regarding Vastu and Feng Shui, and of course your queries also, then you can contact Dr. Rupa Batra, who has a chain of satisfied clients like film stars, ministers, diplomats, corporate sectors, businessman to an ordinary man, not only in India but in other 18 countries as well. So friends, definitely we will be back next time with some another topics of Vastu and Feng Shui and your interesting mails also. Till then, bye-bye and take care. Dr. Rupa Batra, Vastu and Feng Shui expert. Our address, Global Vastu, E16/376, Sector 8, Rohini, Delhi 85. You can also contact us on these numbers 9560-423-423, 9560-546-546. You can also mail us batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. You can also join the Facebook www.facebook.com/globalvastu. Clubs, associations, schools, colleges, corporates can contact for free Vastu awareness workshop. You can contact on these number 9560-423-423, 9560-546-546. You can visit our website also, which is www.globalvastu.com. You can also mail us on these IDs batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. Conditions apply.